Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's tap on Advanced, and under it we've got this option Screen Timeout, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest one, so 30 minutes. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.